My channel, my amazing craft artist. Hope you're having a great day. Today's a haul from Dollar Tree. I didn't get that much stuff. I got some candy though. Candy. I love me some candy. Also got me some cute little accessories I'm going to use in my videos. And I'm going to drink out of this cup. I love red. Red is the color. What sold me was that beautiful little, look at that on the top. Isn't that cool? I love that so much. I bought other accessories for this video you might want to see and buy for yourself at Dollar Tree. Run in there and get your stuff. I had so much fun. Shopping on Black Friday was funny as heck, you guys. I did a vlog all about it, so hopefully I can upload that today or tomorrow. I'm not sure, but it's getting uploaded before the month's out. So today's the last day of November. Today's November 30th, you guys. It's Saturday. Hope you have fun. And I'm excited to show you this haul that I got yesterday from Dollar Tree. I went to Walmart as well, but I didn't buy too much at Walmart. Kind of like bought stuff like household stuff. But I'll be shopping throughout the month of December. Don't worry, guys. You'll see some more hauls up in here, some more stuff to decorate your room with, and some more cool DIYs. So let's get started on this video. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up for effort, for trying. And I hope you guys have fun shopping at your Dollar Tree and your Walmart. And also, I am working on some more videos for you guys. So give me a click up there for notification if you can. And let's... Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. I do that in every video. Sorry about that, my craft artist. My name is, I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist. And let's start hauling. Amazing craft artist. This is a cool haul for you guys. I went to Dollar Tree on Black Friday. I had so much fun. These are things I bought so far, and I love what I got. And it's amazing to go in the stores and see things you really need and want to decorate your room and planners. And I got some wonderful things like candy. I love me some candy. These are gummies, and I got some more candy over here, and then more candy over here. I love candy, you guys. So hopefully you guys like this video. Let's get started. Everything I want to show you. Let's start with the accessories back here. I want to do that first, like this cool you know, stamp block. First, let's talk about some craft decor or craft accessories that you can have for your craft room or just for decorating any time of the year. I love the things I bought today at the Dollar Tree. It was so much fun. There's a lot of people in there. It was exciting to shop, but people are just so rude this time of year. I don't know what their deal is, but I have fun anyways. And they had a good deal at the store, so I went over there and got some stuff that I would need. They have a lot of things stocked, so if you need to go on Dollar Tree, I will run in there and get some things you might need to decorate your room or just have fun, just to have fun in your stash. So I got these beautiful things right here. At first I was going to get these, but I said, you know, I like these. I love it. I need a good stamping block. I did buy some in the past at Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and you can buy these at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann Fabrics, also Walmart and online. So these are a lot of places you can buy these crafter square stamp blocks. I love the shape of these. It's small, quaint, and wonderful. And for $1.25, you can't beat it. They're not too cheap feeling. I felt them already. They look really great. I'm glad I got two of them. So go in my stash. So let's move on to some more crafting embellishments or crafting decor. I love vellum paper now. I bought some more of this paper from Dollar Tree for $1.25. A lot of people are complaining, but I don't know why they're putting the stickers on here. I don't know. I just don't like that. I don't know. Just something about that bothers me. But anyways, I love what I got. Crafter Square has some really cool stuff in there, and vellum paper is one of them. I was going to open this up and see if they had it. I don't know. But I did buy this before. I bought the one with the beautiful pink stars, so I got the gold stars. And I'm going to use this as projects. I haven't decided what I'm going to use this for, but I bought it because I love it. I love the color combination. I love the stripes and hearts is my favorite shape, if you didn't know that by now. So let's move that over to the side. And onto some glitter stickers. I just bought some glitter stickers earlier, all snowflakes. So I went back and got these. Go watch that haul video. I just did a little haul video for Dollar Tree. You get 33 pieces for $1.25, and the glitter trees and the glitter snowflakes and beautiful snowmen that are made out of blue, really pretty. And then you have the little cool reindeer right here. I think the reindeer. And then, or deers. And beautiful bows. I can make bows, you guys. I can make some bad bows. I made bows in the past, so they're really cool. And I'm also making me some really cool things for my videos coming up. So hope you like this video, guys. Have fun shopping. Get some cool things for your crafting. And I'm gonna use some of this for my planner, for packaging. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. I love it. Making cards. I love it. So yay! I'm so excited. So let's move on to something else I want to show you in this video. I hope you enjoy everything I'm showing you and have fun shopping at your Dollar Tree. A crafty vlog. I do crafty vlogs on my channel now, so I wish you go watch the video all about the crafty supplies I'm going to use for my small business. And this is one I'm going to use for next year's DD's Winter Wonderland craft mystery bags. These are really cool, aren't they? They're so pretty. I hope I'm not glaring your eyes too much, but these are really beautiful. I love buying these every year. I used to buy these just to put cookies and crackers and snacks to my friends and family. So you know, I'm going to buy some of these and use for my small business until I get my own branding. I'm going to use these to get my own branding bags, and I'm going to work on that very soon. So next year's going to be so much fun. I'm going to start my business next year in January. I'm going to get my business license. I got to do a LLC. I got to do all kinds of stuff. I got to get a website. I have to buy some more materials, get some stock. You know, it's going to be cool, wonderful. Hopefully it's going to be a smooth sailing. And hopefully I make money next year and hope I have fun doing my business. So right here, I just love this. I love gingerbread. I love gingerbread houses. I love eating them. This is really pretty. I'm going to draw something like this for my DD's Winter Wonderland videos, but I love it so much. Look at this. And you get 15 in the bag. They're treat bags. You can use this for anything you want to use them for. You can use them for cookies, crackers, snacks, like I said before, packaging. It's so much fun. And this is another one right here that I love. Gingerbread. Let me show you so it won't glitter your eyeball so much. Isn't this amazing, you guys? I just love this. I love the decoration. I love how they did this. And this treat bag, it's only 20. I should have got 2 of these. Usually I get 2 of each, or sometimes I get 4 of each. But I do have a lot of these, so I'm going to use these next year. And I cannot wait. I'm going to use all the stuff I can use to make my room pop, you guys. So let's move on to something amazing you might want for your craft room or for your party. Artists, do you love candy as much as I do? Man, my teeth does. Cavities are everywhere. No, I was kidding. I need to go to the dentist, but I think it's fun to have candy this time of year or any time of year. So this is what I bought so far at Dollar Tree in the Candy Wonderland, I call it. I love all the different candies. I did a haul already about this. No, not a haul, vlog. So go watch that vlog if you want to on my channels. I really appreciate it. So I got me some gummies, and these are really cool. There's, I'm going to say candy apple, green apple, strawberry, and blue raspberry, and there's some beautiful candies there that you love. I love gummy candy, so I love this right here. This is a really good gummy candy from this company. I don't want to say the name, but I love their candy. I love their gummy bears, and this is what I got. Golden bears. Oh, it's hilarious. Golden bears with cherry, and this is what they look like. So really good. I haven't tried them yet. Hopefully it tastes good. Cherry's a cool flavor. And then over here, you guys, I have more gummies right here. I want to show you this a little bit more. This is the box. It's a little box. It comes with a little bit of gummies, but it's cool, and I just love it. They taste really wonderful. My favorite color is red, obviously, and I love the strawberry, but I love all the flavors. They're really good, and I love cherry. It's my favorite color. And then over here, I got some candy canes. I love candy canes, you guys. Who doesn't love a candy cane? But these are some beautiful ones at Dollar Tree. Different flavors, different colors, different types. I just love it. 6 candy canes right here. And this is a marshmallow flavored, jet puffed. I love it. I can't wait to see what this tastes like. I'm going to buy all these. There's so many different kinds. They have Fruity Pebbles. They have Skittles. I mean, every kind of you can think of candy canes they had at Dollar Tree. And I love the candy aisle in any store. So I love candy shops as well. So today is a fun video for you guys. I hope you have fun shopping in your Dollar Tree. And I'll talk to you at the end of the video. I have one more thing to show you before I let you go. So go for this beautiful red, beautiful tumbler cup, and it says 'tis the season, and I love winter time, and winter is the season, and I love it so much. And for us people who just want to decorate for fun, this is a good decoration. It doesn't have to be Christmassy, but you can do whatever you want. It's your house, it's your deal, and I love this so much because it's red. I saw a blue one there. I saw some other colors too, but red was just screaming out to me. Red is my favorite color of all times, and I don't care. No one says I love red, and if you love your color, you love the color you love, that's good for you. I love you guys for loving the colors you love, and all the people who love red, comment down below. If you don't like red, keep it to yourself. I don't mind if you say your favorite color down there, but just say red is a beautiful color, and I love it because without red and white, there is no pink. I love saying that at the end when I talk about red because people think red is like a terrible color, but it's not, you guys. It's wonderful. It's a primary color. So let's look at this beautiful tumbler. Look at this. 'Tis the season. Look at the redness of this. I love it. And then on top, what really sold me for getting this cup was the beautiful snow globe. Look at this snow globe. And it has a snowman in it, you guys. A snowman. Really cool. I can't wait to put some water or pop or juice or whatever in this for this month of the wintertime. Such a good way to have, right? I cannot wait to use this in my videos, maybe as a backdrop like that, just talking to you like that. So I love this so much. Go on your Dollar Tree. They're still there, you guys. The one I saw, they're still there. So thank you guys for watching this video. I had so much fun, and I can't wait to talk to you at the end of the video. Have fun shopping. Did you love it? Did you like it? Enjoy this video? If you did, don't forget to click down there for 2 reasons. For a like button, thumbs up like button, and also to subscribe to my channel if you can. And if you liked it even more than that and you're already subscribed, don't forget to click for more notifications up there for more videos just like this. This is a Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. I love Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. Every year I've been doing this for about 4 or 5 years now, and I can't wait to get better at doing these videos every single year. So I'm doing some DIYs for you guys, more DIYs in this month of December, and today's the last day of November. It's the 30th, so I had a fun month. It's my B-Day month. I was born on November 13th. I just turned 49 years old a few weeks ago, and I'm still celebrating for the rest of the year. I'm going to celebrate to whatever. But I love living, I love life, and I love crafting, I love doing videos, and I hope you guys like these videos. Next year, I'm going to do better videos for you guys, and I can't wait to do more craft vlogs, and more DIYs, and more things to help you guys like my channel even more. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and keep crafting no matter what. What?